If your UPS or inverter is subjected to 440 volts accidentally, how long can it handle that kind of a voltage? Now one might ask, how does 440 come in a single phase line? Well, there are many factors why 440 can come into single phase. Some of these are as follows: a neutral open, trees falling on overhead wires, or let's say a transformer fault or transformer blast. All such factors can contribute to 440 in any individual phase. Now again the question, can your UPS or inverter handle 440 for more than 5 or 10 minutes? And even if it has an over voltage protection system, can it handle 440 volts for more than 5-10 minutes? Most UPS dealers that I have interacted with have always said to me that they have over voltage protection devices in their UPS, but these protection devices themselves get damaged and they have to replace it. Now in a scenario where UPSs and their over voltage protection devices are getting damaged, I can guarantee you that our product can withstand 440 volts for more than 24 hours. It has been designed like that. Also, did you know that any electrical system in any premise gets around 100 to 200 spikes every day? Anything you switch on, switch off creates a spike, and that damages your equipments over a period of time. Internal components like capacitors, MOVs, resistors, Zener diodes get damaged due to spike issues. Now this generally depends on site. After 3 to 4 years, you will have to replace the UPS or the UPS cards, because after 3 to 4 years, possibly the models have changed and the spare parts are not available. Wouldn't it be better to not have service calls in the first place? Because every service call involves expenses towards traveling, and that time spent in repairing or replacing equipments could be better utilized for installation of new equipments or new installations. This is where our unit Power Kavach comes in. Our product Power Kavach has 440 volts protection, which it can withstand for more than 24 hours, as well as it takes care of spikes and surges up to 40 kiloampere. You can simply replace the surge protection and your surge protection is renewed. So in this way, you can very well extend the life of UPS or inverter for more than 10 to 15 years. Now, isn't that a good idea? So if you are a UPS or an inverter dealer, please get in touch with us. We would like to tie up with you for this.